Hello my creative and artistic friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to new acrylic pouring video. Today I'm working on this large commission piece. So this canvas is 18 by 36 inches, definitely much bigger than what I normally work on, so this is going to be fun. And for the commission, my customer really liked the painting that I did in this video, so she wanted me to recreate the same style, the same composition, just in a larger scale. So this is what I'm gonna do today. And for that video, for that painting, I have done a traveling funnel technique. So I got my funnel ready, just much bigger at this time because I would need a lot more paint to flow in that funnel. And for colors, here I have crimson red, red violet, silver, this is cadmium yellow medium hue, copper, orange, and some turquoise metallic. I just mixed some metallic blue and metallic green to get that turquoise. So, oh yeah, and of course the black and white, because this is going to be color split base painting. So my main color palette is going to be very bright and warm, and this is why I have added some silver and some turquoise metallic to create accents and to balance out that bright warm red. So let's see how that's gonna work. I'm thrilled to work on such a large painting. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna create this sort of a curve for border between my black and white base. And of course, I'm gonna add a secret message here. Imagination for this painting. And now I'm gonna use a little scraper to move this paint around and create nice and even base layer. I can't remember if I mentioned before, but my paints, all of my colors, including black and white, are mixed with Floetrol and water, and I will include details in the video description. Okay, just giving it a quick torch to pop some air bubbles and it's good to go. Okay, time to layer those beautiful colors in the funnel. I'm adding a little color at a time and I'm gonna do several rounds of each color. Oh, these layers of colors look so pretty. I love it. Okay, let's do the travel. I want to bring more color here on the bottom, so adding just more colors to my funnel. bit more color on the white as well. So next, I'm gonna give it a tilt to level out some of this paint, and it really helps to stretch out the cells. This is looking really good so far, so now I'm gonna take my metal straw and blow out that paint. And this is probably the most fun and important part of the pour because it allows to really shape up the design. And as I go, I might add more color here and there wherever I feel like I need it. I really feel like the bottom part can use more turquoise here. This looks so beautiful. Totally loving the composition. What I think helps a lot is using a step ladder of some sort to look from above, especially when working on a larger painting. It really helps you to get a better perspective and have a better look on that composition. You know what? I think I want to bring some more white to this corner because I just really want to enhance the wavy motion in the composition. And then some black to this corner here. I don't like this part, so I want to redo it and make it more white base. And another check from the up high. I definitely like it better this way, looking great. Just touching up the side here with black, and I feel like it's time for me to stop. So much energy and movement in this piece, I love it. So let's hope this beauty dries just as good. So keep watching. Hey guys, so here is this Dancing Beauty dry. Colors are super bright and juicy. I'm very happy with this piece, so is my customer, so that's awesome. I hope you also enjoyed today's tutorial and the outcome, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.